Hello, today I wanted to add some ladders to the background in the places like this one, which are climbable by the player. The player normally can float one meter, but in the corridors I will allow the player to climb more so they can reach other levels. These colors are a bit temporary, but let me see. The pedestal is not convincing me. Let me see. This is, I think, a more violent color. Like this one. And a bit. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. As I said, I want to add the ladders for this kind of squares in the background to allow the player to return, or rather to justify visually that the player can climb. So I was preparing a texture, and I made a quad mesh with that texture, with transparency, and let's see, we need to add that, no, sorry, this is the, we need to add to the world let's see. Another prefab is no 3D. I need to use this type because otherwise Godot doesn't allow the importing. And in the makePath function, we will detect, let's see, an example. I should make the solving faster with a control key, I think, but I don't know. How do we detect these cases? We could examine the path, and when we detect two consecutive tiles or places separated, or three or more consecutive downwards or upwards directions, yeah, let's see. We could add this after we make the complete path. We detect if we detect the position twice downwards, and if let's call it down 2, and if that position is in the path, we instantiate the ladder, we assign the ladder. I think this should work, but let's. Okay, it seems. Are these local positions or global ones? This is called with the path calculated by the A star, I think. Yeah. So, I know. These are global coordinates. Why? And this is the yeah. It was a problem with the global position after all. Okay, now this seems to work, but we should test for the downwards. We are what happened here? This is weird. Why why there is a gap here? Because this is a wall. Okay, this is yeah. I thought that yeah. Nice. Interesting. Okay, so if we solve this level now, we should be able to walk, and visually is much better than before because it's not magic. Although this case, the limit case is perhaps not very useful here. Let me think. If we could check if the one level more is not in the path, is obviously a wall, so we should not add it. Okay. So, no, this is, no, this is, no, this is adding, sorry, I'm thinking out loud. I should think carefully here. We are checking if a ladder should exist only if it has one position. Yeah, because if it has one position over it, it could be used, but yeah, we should check also if it has one more, I think. No, because, no. This is, interesting. We should check sideways, I think. Okay. So, left and right, and not left in path or right in path. I think it should be correct. I'm not sure, really. Yes, yeah, because the robot can float one position, so visually it seems like yeah, I think this is correct. we fall, but we can float here. It's like the ladder helps us to float one more. And then, I'm not sure really if this is, no, because the problem was in this case. Let me show you. The problem is in this case, it was useful to have. In this one, no, we should check for the down. Let me see. In this case, this is a positive. No. In this case, it worked, but in this case, it prevented the ladder as I wanted, but let's check. Yeah, here it should be 1. It's a tricky condition. Let me think. I think this should. Let me check. This value is a 2D. This is this is very funny. This value is for 2D logic, and in Godot, the 2D logic is inverted because it's thought as a feature for pixels instead of meters. So, sorry, world. So this should be down. And let's see, obviously this is incorrect. And yeah, this is, let's see. No, sorry, this logic was, yeah, I will construct manually this because using the down position is a bit misleading. So this is -1. This works, I think, yeah. But I need to check if the position twice down is also in the path. Okay. And I think this should work. No. And yeah, it works here, but not here. It's why is this so difficult to think about? If I remove this condition, it populates all these small steps, so I don't want it. No, this is not. No, this is correct because I'm using the logic value because I'm populating. Yeah, the logic of the grid of the A star grid, it follows the coordinates of the 3D world. So although this is conceptually incorrect, it's useful. So let's see. If I do this, we lose all the cases. Let's see. In this case, no, this is not. Yeah, I think I have it. This is a bit convoluted, but it works, I think. If there is, if this the position down, directly down, and the position up or the position 2 down, it seems to work because this ladder is present, this is not. Okay, I think this is correct. Yeah, nice. Okay, it was a bit difficult to reason about because of the inversion between the Vector2i and Vector3i coordinates, but this line should be the thumbnail of the video. I don't know. Okay, it seems to work, and it's nice, and perhaps the color is a bit too much. Let me see. It should be yellow, but not so. Yeah, I think that's enough contrast, I think. All these colors are obviously temporary because the textures are temporary and the gameplay is temporary. I have this problem. I didn't fix it, I think. Let's see. Lava. Cosmetic walls. Yeah, I have the task here. Here. Okay. Next time I will fix that and other things. Okay. I think this is a nice addition to the game. It makes the navigation much more intuitive for the player, I think, at least in the corridors. I think perhaps the player should not fall in the ladders. So I will add a think task. Okay. Thanks for watching. I will make the thumbnail with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more importantly, share the video with people that could enjoy this kind of devlogs and or could learn something from them. Thanks.